Hello, my freaks. Let's look at Jaime's outfit. What? Why so many shoes? Am I supposed to put the shoes in my hair? What's the idea? They're just like floating around in the sky. I don't even have most of those shoes anymore. That's gonna be strange. And then we have too many earrings also. Other than that, it's just kind of a normal base outfit. Right, let's see. And here it is. Looks like, unfortunately, I actually do still have most of these shoes, which I put the most normal ones on my feet and then managed to get three of them in my hair. And I'm pretty sure my new neighbors are moving in today. I was like, they're gonna knock on the door right when I'm tying shoes to my head. But luckily that hasn't happened yet. The other shoes I just put up on the stairs, like they're just an add-on. I don't know if you can even see those. Yeah, fun times. I think it tied knots in my hair. That's gonna be fun to get out later. Thank you, Jaime. Oh, remember when we used to wear necklaces like this? And unfortunate lengths here with the blazer. Oh yeah, so I put one blue earring, which you cannot see, and the other earring on my ears, and then I interpreted the dangly earrings as, since they were the same size as the pants, as just this sparkly fringe that I have for some reason. And of course, my favorite yellow rose ring. Wow, Jaime. I don't know. I don't know what to do. All right, I'm back. I stuck with one of the original earring options just to show you those up close. And I kept the original base top and bottom. I knew I was either going to have to get rid of the top or the blazer since the lengths didn't work well together. So I traded out the blazer for this heavier coat. We'll just pretend it's cold today. But in doing that, we lost a lot of the navy blue. So I added this blue everyday bag. And I don't usually wear a bandana as a bandana, but I tried layering a couple of them, sort of as a nod to the different blues in the necklace. And I like that a lot better. And then instead of that yellow ring, which I usually really like, I just didn't really like it with this outfit. But I do like having an unexpected pop of color, so I picked a kind of more greenish yellow. And I know out of all those shoe options, I didn't pick any of the shoes, even though I think a lot of them would have worked just fine. But yeah, I just wanted to do something different with the yellow. So here's my version. I like it a lot better. Where would I wear this? I would wear this to go grocery shopping during the next pandemic because you already have your face mask and an extra one just in case. And you have your fun shoes because nobody wears shoes when we're stuck at home. So, yeah, I'm ready. Where would you wear this, or would you wear this? Let me know in the comments and let me know who you think won this look. And thanks for watching.